Eat ginger every day and see what happens to your body. What if I told you that adding just a small piece of ginger to your daily routine could transform your health? From melting stubborn fat to supercharging your immune system, this ancient root is a powerhouse of benefits. But wait, before you start munching on ginger-like candy, there's something important you need to know. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the best way to consume ginger for maximum benefits. For centuries, ginger has been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to heal the body naturally. But modern science has confirmed what our ancestors knew all along. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a superfood. In today's video, we'll break down the incredible benefits of eating ginger every day and how it can change your life. Let's dive in. Benefit number 1, powerful anti-inflammatory effects. First up, ginger is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness, eating ginger daily can work better than some over-the-counter medications without the nasty side effects. Studies show that ginger can reduce inflammation by up to 25%, making it a natural painkiller. Simply adding 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger to your tea or smoothie can work wonders for your body. Benefit number 2, supercharges. Digestion and gut health. Ever feel bloated after a meal? Ginger is a natural digestive powerhouse that stimulates stomach enzymes, helping you digest food faster and absorb more nutrients. No more bloating, cramps, or gas. Drink ginger-infused water in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism and improve gut health. Benefit number 3, boosts immunity and fights infections. If you always catch colds, you need ginger in your life. Packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, ginger strengthens your immune system and fights off infections before they even start. DIY Immunity Booster. Mix grated ginger, lemon, and honey for a natural cold-fighting elixir. Benefit number 4, a natural weight loss booster. Want to shed extra weight? Ginger doesn't just burn fat. It boosts your metabolism and controls hunger cravings. It helps your body burn calories more efficiently, making weight loss easier. Studies show that people who consume ginger daily burn fatter than those who didn't. Benefit number 5, lowers blood sugar and supports heart health. If you struggle with high blood sugar or cholesterol, ginger might be your new best friend. Studies suggest that ginger can lower blood sugar levels by up to 12%, helping prevent diabetes and heart disease. Sprinkle a little ginger powder into your morning oatmeal or tea for a heart-healthy start. The right way to eat ginger. So, now that you know the benefits, what's the best way to eat ginger? Should you eat it raw, drink it in tea, or take supplements? The answer? It depends on your goal. For digestion and weight loss, ginger tea. For immunity, raw ginger with honey. For inflammation and pain, ginger-infused water. Start with 1/2 teaspoon daily and gradually increase to 1 to 2 teaspoons. And always consult your doctor if you have any medical condition. So, are you ready to start eating ginger every day? Let me know in the comments, how will you add ginger to your routine? tea, smoothies, or raw? Don't forget to hit like. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for more natural health tips and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.